All right, but that should about do it for our crumb coat. Now we're gonna get this in the fridge for a little bit. And in the meanwhile, we're gonna work on the label for our whiskey bottle. All right, now that that's chilling, I'm gonna take this yellowish orangish fondant that I've colored, and I'm gonna roll it out, and we're gonna use my template again here, and we're gonna cut out the shape of the whiskey label. Okay, I've just finished cutting out the outline of our label, and the next part that I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of black food coloring with my paintbrush, and we're going to paint the letters on. So we finished our label, and our crumb coat has had lots of time to chill in. It's nice and firm now, and we can actually handle that fairly easy. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use a little bit of the same color here that I already put on the cake, and I'm also going to use a little bit of this lighter color that I've mixed up, and I'm going to use it to try to give the bottle a little bit of dimension and make it look like glass. So hopefully it works out. That doesn't look too bad. I think I'm happy with that. It has a little bit of a kind of a glass effect. I'm not sure if you can really tell there. I'm gonna pop this back in the fridge and let it chill for a little bit more, and then I'm gonna make a cap for the top, and then we can put it all together.